Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the Aloe Yoga Heartthrob collection. This consists of the AIRBRUSH Heartthrob bra and the AIRBRUSH high waist Heartthrob leggings. Okay, so originally I wasn't too drawn to this. I thought it looked really nice online, but I didn't know how it was going to look in person, and I wasn't really sure how practical it was either. After seeing this in person, I did have to try it on. And spoiler alert, I did like the sports bra and I was not a fan of the leggings. Now I only tried this on in the white colorway and it does come in a black, and there are a few other variations in different materials and colors as well if you're looking for this vibe. But overall, I was most drawn to the white because I thought it kind of looked like a stormtrooper. Now this is technically the AIRBRUSH material, and I don't know if it's just because it's white or if this iteration of the material is a little different, but it did not feel like the typical AIRBRUSH. Typically AIRBRUSH is very smooth and silky, and if you want to see what I mean by that with your own eyes, check out the lilac blue try-on the Fashion Try-On. Now getting into the actual try-on, you can probably see the pants I didn't feel like were the most flattering. I don't know if it was because it was white or the placement of the lines, but I felt like it was pretty see-through and it was very unforgiving if you had anything on underneath. Perhaps this would have been better in the black color, so if you do want to see that, let me know in the comments below. But ultimately, this was a pass for me. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.